Okay, hello everyone. I will share you about our our presentation, our research. This is about a study of airflow on natural ventilation at Tawang Station, Semarang. Before it, I will introduce our team. Uh, I am Hana Faza Surya Rusida, and my team as a co-author is Ahmad Nurseha and Reza Hambali. We from Department of Interior Design, School of Industry Creative, Telkom University. Okay, next. Next is introduction. I will explain you about the several colonial building have a wide opening that on each side and high ceiling that respond the climate environment. One example is the old city of Semarang, namely Tawang Station. So this the picture in here is a Tawang Station. Tawang Station still use a natural ventilation in a public zone. Public zone is a waiting room. It is like a hall, but uh, used for a waiting room, and then gift shop or souvenir shop, and then in the office but in the office they uh, is use the mechanical ventilation like air conditioner or a fan. The purpose of this study is will prove the natural ventilation can still adapt to colonial building, especially Tawang Station. The simulation will obtain the direction of the wind and the speed of the wind moving in the room at the Tawang Station by using several samples on the room, which are divided based on the zoning and function. Okay, next, this is the research methodology. In the first, we collecting a data. Data was obtained from the survey. The tag include wind movement, temperature, opening in the room, and the room area. And the second is sample. Sample room selected based on the division of the zone and their function. And the third, models. The sample room is modeled using the Revit Autodesk, and the simulation is still use Autodesk software. The name is CFD. The model will be set a material, temperature, uh, movement, and the so on. And the last is analysis. A simulation result will be analyzed based on the theory. Okay, this is the Tawang Station. And this is the model of the Tawang Station. In here is a private zone. It is an office, and the public zone. It is a waiting room hall, and the semi-public zone. This is a souvenir or a gift shop. Okay, and this is the model by Revit, but we imported to the CFD. Uh, we solved like what is it? We we edited the material on this from a Revit, like inlet and outlet windows. The first is the intake air temperature has an average is 30 to 35 degrees Celsius, and volume flow rate is the standard air movement according to ASHRAE standard. For the classroom and office is the same. It is 15.4 meter per minute, and normal velocity is 2 meter per second, and pressure is 0. It is pressure is for input, for outlet. Okay, this is the result. The office room. This is the office room in here. Okay, that the movement of the air of the room can spear. However, from the vertical image can be identified the air movement vector length from the inlet to the outlet from the inlet and outlet it like this. Okay, and the speed the air movement is pretty even between 100 until 200 millimeter per second, except the inlet area, which is 400 millimeter per second, which is the area for movement enters. This is of 400 and this is 100 until 200 millimeter per second. It is very slow. Okay, the next, this is a hall. It is for waiting room. It can be identified. The air movement is paired well. Uh, the resulting indoor air velocity is quite variable, and the indoor average is 16 until 120 meter 22 millimeter per second, and the inlet has fastest air movement. This is the inlet, which up to 119 millimeter per second, when the outlet area is the very evenly distributed. This is very distributed, which is 16 millimeter per second. Okay, next in the last sample, this is a gift shop or a souvenir shop, and the results show the air movement in the room relatively evenly distributed. The image section can be identified the movement of the air from the inlet to the outlet. The resulting air velocity in the room is 300 to 600 millimeter per second. The area around the inlet and outlet was so strong wind up to 700 millimeter per second. Okay, so the conclusion is the overall the picture of the air movement in Tong Station in each room is pretty even and sparrowed, but the value of movement is very small. The air distribution is quite good only in waiting room because the openings are more than the other room. The CFD simulation show the number of the opening in the room, which result is rapidly entry of the air because the placement of the proper inlet and outlet position can help air movement can be spared evenly in the room. Okay, this is the last. This is my reference for our studies. So thank you for your attention and good day.